What's up guys, so in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download product images and videos from Aliexpress to your Shopify store or wherever else you need to use them. So let's firstly go to Uncle Google and search for Aliexpress photo downloader, or just type alisave, and we're looking for this one. I believe this one is a premium version of this app, so we're going to stick to this one. Let's click on alisave, and right now we just need to add it to Chrome, add extension, and we can pin it so we can use it anytime. And right now let's go to our product on Aliexpress we want to sell and get images from it. So it's going to be this one. Right now let's just click on the Chrome extension, and as you can see you can download main images, so it's going to be these ones. You can as well download variants images, so these are these ones, and what I'm looking for is description images, so those ones, and we just need to click on download description images, and if it's not working you probably need to reload the page and try again. So let's do it right now, and as you can see it's scanning everything from up and down, and those images are being saved. So right now we can use it in our Shopify stores or wherever else we need. So that will be it for today. Let me know in the comments if everything is working just fine, and good luck with your Shopify store.